It's Frankie in your doll carriage? Hey, Bella. What's he doing in there? Is he going to go for a ride now? Oh, he is, isn't he? Oh, that's nice of you to take your kitty cat for a ride in a baby carriage. Pet him nice. You got to pet him nice, Bella. Pet him nice. Pet him nice. I don't know. He might have different ideas about this. I don't know. Okay, pet him nice, Bella. Were you going to take him for a ride? No, he's leaving. Oh. Uh-oh. He didn't want to go for a ride. Oh, well. Yeah. Yep. Oh, you gotta pick him up carefully. He's just a kitty. Pick him up carefully. Very, very carefully. Not by the tail. Pick him up carefully. Pet him nice. Very nicely. We pet our kitties nice. Pick him up very, very gentle. Very gentle. Very gentle. He's just a baby. Very gentle. Can you do nice? Nice. Do nice. Bella, do nice. Oh, you're trying to feed him? Are you gonna? Oh, you're gonna eat that instead. Okay. Okay. You be nice with him. Be nice. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Can you do nice with the kitty? Can you do nice? Can Bella do nice? No, we don't pull him by his tail. You gotta do nice with him. Hey, you're a little clown. Do nice. Nice. No, nice. We do nice with him. Okay.